No Shave November is here. If you are new, welcome. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to taking care of your beard. Welcome to growing your beard. You have found the right spot. If you are not new, welcome back and thank you for your support of this platform. And thank you for supporting those that are coming in that just want to do it the right way. Whether they're growing that beard for the first time, whether they're caring for their beard the first time, or they feel like they have a pretty good hold, but they want to see what this is all about. On today's video, I want to give you guys the most just kind of like punchy, condensed, the best tips possible to get started, and then give you guys the tools to dig in deeper because there's so much to all this stuff. And at the end of the video, I want to go over Grow-Vember and what that's all about. If you're returning, you likely know what I'm talking about, so stick around for those details. If any of this sounds good to you guys, hit a thumbs up on the video. It is greatly appreciated. And of course, if you're not, consider subscribing. It's absolutely free. I have a big goal, and I think it's possible to hit 100,000 subscribers this month. How cool, how fitting would that be to reach a huge, huge milestone of 100K on YouTube during the beard month, during No Shave November? Now, I don't know if we will, and that's entirely fine if we don't, but it is a goal. And if you guys can help by subscribing, by sharing this out, by telling somebody, it would mean a lot to me. So to dive in, the best advice I can give you guys is I understand it can be overwhelming. Take it step by step. Your beard will be fine. The most important products that you can use and get started with, unquestionably, would be beard oil and beard wash. Clean your beard and nourish your beard. I recommend using both of them every single day. Wash your beard once a day. Just make sure it's a quality daily gentle wash. And then use beard oil at least after every shower. But I do recommend morning and night. Especially when you're getting started. We can get into butter and conditioner and all that stuff down the road. But right now, wash your beard once a day, oil morning and night. Beyond that, you need to have a tool such as a comb or a brush. Generally speaking, a brush such as a boar's bristle brush will work in the early stages for everything. You can exfoliate, you can spread product, you can style your beard. That's great. As it gets longer, you're going to need to get into something like a carbon fiber comb or a oxhorn comb or a cellulose acetate comb, a really good plastic comb. If I had to start again, I would start with a comb. I think it can do it all. I don't think that the brush is absolutely needed. However, a brush can be great at the beginning as well. So beard oil, beard wash, beard comb and or beard brush. And then after that, drink water. Your superpower with a beard is remaining hydrated. I just did a video that went in depth on electrolytes, and there's so many other things we can go into, how much and others. If you are hydrated, your beard will feel better. If you are dehydrated, your beard will never be great, no matter how many products you use, no matter what tools you use, it needs that nourishment. It really is. But Dan, I got my morbidly obese Uncle Frank, and he's got a big beard. And he doesn't drink water, he only drinks beer. I hear you. But how does it actually feel? How does it really look? How does it smell, right? There are layers to this. And I'm going to leave it at that. The only other tip I'm going to give you guys is if you have something you're wondering about with facial hair, I've probably covered it. I really mean this next step. Take your question or your topic, put it in the search bar on YouTube, and then type in Dancy Bearded afterwards, and I will get it covered. You want to learn about beard butter Dancy Bearded. I'll have a video on how to apply it. I'll have a video on why it works, how it works, all that stuff. I know that sounds like pretty big statement. I know that sounds almost self-serving, right? Of course you want to go find your videos. I'm just very proud. My job is to cover videos that you're wondering about. My job is to help your beard. And I have over 2,000 videos I'm very proud of, and that search is the way to do it. Hydrate beard, Dancy Bearded. Itchy beard, Dancy Bearded. Beard dandruff, Dancy Bearded. Whatever you're looking for, put that in, and you're likely going to find a video. If you don't, contact me. I respond to every email, every Instagram message. Both are linked in the description. And let me know, and then I'll see what I can do about making a video. All right? Beyond that, Every November, my wife, Sam C., our shop is linked in the chat. We don't make any money off of these, but we sell these shirts for Grow-Vember. And we donate them to a men's health foundation. This one is, I'll put the information in the description. This one is actually out of Detroit. And they help men get physicals. They go in and they get blood draw. They see a doctor. They get vision tests. They get hearing tests. They are absolutely helping guys break the stigma of just rub some dirt on it. It'll be okay. And they're getting in and they're checking under the hood. Prostate exams. This foundation helps those that can't afford to go get checked. Most of us, I think, can relate to that and understand how powerful that is and how many lives we can directly affect. I didn't want to do some organization that's massive because we're likely not going to have the greatest numbers, right? This is a niche channel. But with an organization this size, every single shirt purchase will make a difference in someone's life. And I think they look pretty cool. I got mine on the logo on the sleeve. The front is just blank because I have a big beard. But I believe my wife has the option on there to put it on the front as like a little small patch. But it's a really cool one. I think this is the most stylish one yet. And a lot of guys use these as like collector's items and they get one each year. But just know all proceeds will be donated to that Men's Health Foundation and everything will be linked. You can check it out yourself. We've worked with them before. They are fantastic and they make a difference. They document it all on their Instagram as well. I'll try to link that in there. So, No Shave November, we're just getting started. If you have questions, put them down below. If you have words of encouragement, put them down below. It is an open forum in that comment section. Thank you guys for watching today. My name's Dan C. Bearded. I'm glad to have you guys here. Please, as the shirt said, stay bearded and stay positive.